think you need a dongle either. But I'll put a note somewhere. Put it. Your beaches wanna shake your tree.
I brought it. I didn't know if we'd even need to burn it.
Right. There's something over there. I'm James. Yeah, well, my neighbors come on. Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Doing the tour.
Yeah, I'm just a little bit.
I'm not following you. I just happen to be walking the same direction.
I gotta go out there. Sweet as her, something rare. She's gonna be a caring helping. Please grab a stethoscope, you will be in good hands. She wants to improve the lives. Sorry. What happened? Giving IVs with a gentle touch. She's not wrong. She will not hurt your
We talk about sink around the top of the boots. With the big white and then the ripstop.
Time for food. Sounds good. I'm gonna go peruse. How you guys doing?
How you doing there?
See you. Hello. Oh, watch that step. Hello. All right. Pizza in West Virginia. You bet. Look at this guy.
So we just wrote them out, turned them in, they saw that we did them, they didn't even tell us right or wrong, and we never
We have real White Castle burgers.
I know.
Look at this in West Virginia.
Great.
There's a lot of
And Arby's curly fries. This is living right here.
Yeah.
First class. And we got a bar too. Gotta have a bar.
The big church? The one down this street. See, we was in the park the first year we lived here. And then the kids at the park. And we moved to Lee Street, and we used to take care of the Lee Street church and stuff. That's where we are. Boy, I was so glad to get out of there.
Oh, pardon me. Yay. Here's our this is why we're all here today.
Hello.
And why are we here? Because you graduated nursing school.
Yep.
Now you're going to be a nurse.
Indeed. If I pass sports, but
Yeah, pass the boards.
when I pass my boards.
You will. That's right. Right. Woohoo! Got some heatulators going. Hey, you're
It blew up, and I'm gonna tell you what, it melted. It melted my face. It melted gone.
Was a dinner long johns from World War II. They were wool, knit wool, and they were so soft.
So I didn't know we were doing this, but we're gonna do a roast on Larra. And I'm really pumped for that. I didn't know this happened, so I guess it's starting with
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Huh?
Yeah? Okay, good enough.
Okay, you guys are on our stage.
I don't have anything roast worthy to say about Larra because she's a sweetheart. Okay, can you hear me now?
Right, changing sides again.
Okay. So when I was thinking about this party, my thought was I have this one core memory of Larra after my initial meeting of her, but I don't remember that. So there's this first thing when I was in middle school, 6th grade, and Tanner said that he was going to pick me up, which was such a big deal because Tanner didn't like hanging out with me. So it was like, yeah, my big brother's going to get me from middle school. I'm not riding the bus. It's a good day. And at school, they were having this sale, you know, like one of those, not a bake sale, but where they sell strange little things, and you buy it for $1, and they send it wherever. But they had these giant pencils, and they were not practical. You couldn't write with them, but everybody had them, and I didn't have $1. And so I get in the truck with Tanner, and I say, Tanner, will you give me $1 for this pencil? And he said, no, I'm not going to give you my money. And Larra didn't say anything, pulled $1 out of her purse, and said, here you go. And I thought, man, what a good person. Good person. And that's been true. Every second of every conversation that I've ever talked with Larra, that's how I feel about her. I love you very much. I'm so proud of you. And that's it.
Solid dress.
There go, Farrah. So, there. She got into nursery school about 1 year ago. I was so happy when they moved in here and they were going to work on their house. And then she got into nursing school, so we kind of slowed down. But it's like the minute she started nursing school, I never saw her again. It's like she would go to school in the morning and then she would go up to that room and she would do homework or she would do tests or she would do Skyping, teaching things, I don't know. But I never saw her except for 3 reasons. She would come down out of her little cave up there. She would feed her chickens. She would come fix Tanner dinner. Or she would come down for yet another cup of coffee. This is not normal human being coffee. This is more like gorilla coffee, where you more like pound the chest and wait for the spiky hairs to start growing. But apparently it sustained her, and she graduated at the top of her class with 11 A's. That was so close to me, we don't count it. So, is this right? No, it's pretty much yours. So when I think about Larra, I think of her in 3 different ways. She's the most kind-hearted person ever, and she'll give you the shirt off of her back, and she does anything you ask, which is to her detriment. She just didn't know it, and so she's fearless, absolutely fearless. And underneath this sweet little exterior, she's really feisty. She's kind of like, you know, don't mess with the people she loves or the things that she's passionate about, because she gets scrappy, like, I'm going to kick your butt on the playground, kind of scrappy. So you want her on your side. Heck yeah. And the woman is fearless. Again, you have this little tiny, I don't know, 90-pound little Daisy May thing. And She's afraid of nothing, absolutely nothing, except spiders. And I've seen her jump higher than you've ever seen anyone jump, or run faster if she sees a spider. That's the only thing. So we won't mention any names. Where is he? I don't see it. Tanner? Oh, Tanner. We won't mention any names, but Tanner is very uncomfortable around bats.
Amen.
We all know that. And we have this huge attic space up here, and we have a lovely bat house, but the bats choose the attic space. And occasionally they would somehow drift down into your bedroom. And the minute there's a flutter or there's a squeak, Tanner's left the building. So who do we call? We say, Larra, come back. Larra goes in with her sweet little demeanor, and she gets her bowl and her little piece of cardboard and pour over her glove, and sticks them up, and she comes out. She does things nice. If you had a mouse, that was like in the dishwasher, you know, that made it into the sink and couldn't get out. She would be the one that would just sift up that little mouse. She's fearless like that. So my head's ticking, right? We have all these cows with horns, and I'm thinking we have this really kind-hearted person that loves animals, and she's not afraid of anything. So what could this mean? What could this mean? So the first time I asked her to help me with the cows, we were looking for Goldie's baby. Goldie had her baby, we couldn't find the baby, and I asked her to go out, and we were like doing a little grid, draw the brush, and Larra finds the baby. And when I find Larra, she's like in this hollowed out piece of brush inside there with the baby, like petting the baby. And here's the mama, you know, maybe 6, 8 feet away with her great old big horns, watching her, and she's just calm. She's just so calm and cool and collected. She's just got this gentleness about her that makes her great with the cattle. So now, Larra always says, yes ma'am. I say, Larra, will you help me do this? She'll say, yes ma'am. So Larra tags, Larra vaccinates, Larra shoots her with the antibiotics when they're sick. And the men may cringe, but we have a lot of little male babies this year, and they couldn't all stay male babies. And so I said, Larra, think we could ban these baby males? She said, absolutely. So she does her little homework. And anyways, I want you guys to know she's just awesome with cows. And she's not intimidated. Most people get a little intimidated. She's just fearless. I'm telling you, she's fearless. But her truest quality, I think, is her kindness. She loves my son beyond anything. I'm just so glad that he has you. And she loves her chickens. It's medicine on the chickens in one state of She loves her boss. She loves her granny. She goes over and feeds her granny next week. When she was working at the nursing home, she'd come along and share all these conversations with me that she had with the residents, because she's just that beautiful. You know, she takes the time to sit by their bed and listen to what they have to say. I'm just really proud of you. And I'm so glad to be part of it.
She woke up one morning.
Yeah.
He's not
She's
born
like,
in the
Mom, what is
family.
this on my, was it your forehead or your chin?
See, he come in the family
Her
after
chin.
I lost
And
my
I was like,
husband.
what? One
That
of the
was our
puppies got
only
a hold
boy
of her
we
chin
had.
and tried to suck. She woke up with a big old hickey on her chin. So we moved on later down the road, and she was like, Mom, she said, I either want to be a veterinarian, she said, or a doctor. And I'm like, okay. She said, I think I'll be a vet. Okay. So she finds this fly. Yeah, Larra, I'm telling this one. And this fly had flown straight into our window, okay, and it was struggling on the windowsill. Larra picks it up. She said, see, Mom, I'm going to help it fly again. I said, you are? She said, yeah. She went, see, it flew. So be glad that she went into human nursing and not animal. And then those times that, Larra would call me and, Mom,
I'm going to school. She'd get on that bus faithfully every morning. Never a dull moment. She'd come home. Never a dull moment. She was acing classes like nobody's business, y'all. But honest to God, at the end of the year, before she turned 18 years old, at the end of her senior year, I had to go and beg them not to turn me in and put me in jail because she was missing so much. And then there was this day, Valentine's Day. It was Valentine's Day, and I knew something that you'll have to count every day. And don't you ever forget that we love you with all of our hearts. And that you mean the absolute world to us. And no matter where you go, always follow your heart. And know that Mom and Dad's right there. And we'll never be just come home. I promise. There's now for a good time to get ready.
Yeah, once she started down that road, it was all. We'll be right back.
The nerves got to her, I think.
We've had one practice, and that was 30 minutes ago. And it was on the house. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. You have to overlook our. There she is. All right. Right.
There's a whole bunch of them.
We're getting ready, we're getting ready. It's easy to kind of keep the time. Yeah. Gotta go to sleep.
You need me to do something? Plug it. Is it not playing?
I promise there is a song. Yeah, there is going to be a song.
Okay, all right, well, we're started.
She's gonna be
I'm lucky. I have never seen somebody better take care of me, period. Spiritually, mentally, physically. You've always been there. You know exactly what I need when I need it. You know, the right questions to ask. You know, you support me and I support you, and it actually feels real. And you just cross this milestone into the next big thing. You know, between us, it's even bigger, I think. But you did it with grace. Like you always do. It's like, in that sneakiness, it's so, oh, I love it so much, you know?
What are you looking out for?
Huh? It's true, right. She has this sly, it's like a fox. She's a fox, clearly. You know, you can get in there and trick me, and you won't even ever bring it up again. Like, I'll probably have been tricked by you so many times, and I'll never know. And I love that. Because it's sophisticated and it's so nice to watch. She would come home, open a book that's like this thick, and then there'd be 4 more books underneath it. She's first carrying these things too. She's got them in a backpack, and it's not a backpack you wanted to carry through the whole day at school. Heavy. I'm talking like 5 or 6 books. It's probably 35 pounds. Like heavy, incredibly heavy. And there she comes, lug it up, throw it in the corner, and open it up, open the book, and go at it for like 6 hours straight. I can't do that, guys. I cannot go and look in a book and stay focused. And not only that, but ambitious. You know, it's like she's got a standard, and you've got to reach it. You've got to reach it. And if it's anything less than below that standard, you don't let yourself have it, you know? Which pushes you, and pushes you, and pushes you, and pushes you. You know, she had straight A's, right? Graduating nursing school, which is, she did the bridge program, so she was having to force like 3 or 4 years of education, of good education, into 2 years.
2 years into one.
No, 2 years, I think,
2
right?
years into one. 2 years into one.
And the one.
Into one. 2 years of education in 1 year.
Yes, even crazier. Same kind of thing. What? It was incredible. It was.
Have you met your wife?
Oh, I know her. I know her. And she had straight A's, and I would help her with words and vocabularies, and she's telling me things, 8-syllable words, 10-syllable words with X in it. And Y's and Z's. Man, it was just incredible because she could come back and interpret it exactly the way she read it. She would literally like tell me more than she needed to get the question right. When I was home, you know, and reviewing with you, you would get them more right than the actual test. It blows my mind. I'm like, what? And she'll do it for like 40 questions. And then she'll say, oh, you've got to help me. I don't think I'm going to do good on this test. I'm like, all right, let's do it. And she'll do it. Just run the table. She'll run the whole thing and get them all so correct. I love that. I love your push. I love your love for me. And I love that we have a love together. And I'm proud of you beyond expectation. You influence me. You push me in ways that I've never been pushed. And I couldn't do myself. I love you. So let's have a toast to the one person you want to be your nurse. My wife. The fox right there. Larra Farner. Congratulations.
Yeah, come on. Do it.
Yes, she does. Get in there. Larra doesn't like attention on her like this, just so you guys know. So this is doing a lot.
This is for let it be known. But I would just like to thank everybody for coming out. A lot of you have pushed me and inspired me in ways that you probably don't even realize to get me through nursing school. So I hope everybody has a good time tonight. Thank you for coming.
There is hot chocolate if you guys want to
Winners of the costume parties, and what excellent costumes, really. It was great. Yeah.
All right.
The gift bags.
Oh, the gift bags. Down by side. Okay. So for the big one, this one's heavy. You know what that is.
It ain't heavy.
And that's gonna go to Larra. The jacket. And the heart, there's a little flower on the glasses. I think is a great touch.
I feel bad being the winner.
Oh, don't feel bad.
Any good I can have.
Well, I know what it is.
Oh man, you do, don't you? And second place, can I get everybody's attention? Second place is coming up for the little red guy, the starburst guy. My mama.
No.
Come on up. Take your earnings.
Yay, Pam.
Boom. Do you know what that is? Okay. Oh, okay. So, wait, my place. Second place winner. Excuse me, second place winner. No, I'm talking the second place winner. My mom. Mama, second place winner. For third place. You ready? It was a three-way tie.
Oh, wow. There was a lot of scrambling to settle it.
We got, and I guess we're gonna have them come up here.
Yeah, you got to be dramatic about
Because
it.
we have an idea how we're gonna solve this tie.
Kind of like American Life.
So we had Amber.
Yeah.
It's the coat that I don't even have on.
You got a good flow. What are you talking about?
Yes.
Oh, is it no good? Where's the third place? Oh, it's in my hand. I didn't think. Okay. And the next one was James. Where's he at?
And where did he go?
Oh, you took it off.
I didn't know who he was.
I thought it's good, man.
New guy at the party.
Yeah, he kept that beard on the whole time and it was tight. That was good. That was good. And
It's keeping him warm.
was Tori, right? Okay. Tori was there. Yes, look at here. So I wasn't like the only person deciding on how we're going to do this. So 1 minute. We're going to have.
Oh, I meant
Or no, we're just announcing.
Yeah, I think it's just.
I'm not in costume anymore.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Well, we got the boat in already.
Good.
So for this package, James won.
Let everybody touch your chest hair.
See, that's because you all dress like this anyway all the time. So.
Yes, that's true.
It was good. Tori thought she was going to win.
Congratulations.
Tori thought she was going to win. She thought she was going to get third place at least. That was a lot of good outfits. This is great.
I'm a speaker.
can get down there.
Oh, I'm spinning.
Yeah.
Dip them, dip them.
Oh yeah.
This is in between.
She's like guarded by the door on one side.
It's like I'd be indifferent, you know. Maybe past that now. It's kind of gets you a little
I
bit.
don't think you were alone in that. I don't think you were alone in that.
Yeah, I think it happens to people their age.
I go through that intermittently.
And probably part of me just wants to hang around and say, I told you about this. You know, but that doesn't happen a lot to do. I thought about hurting myself or harming myself. It's just like, I better find something to do.
Graduation day.
Get busy with living or get busy done. Are you?
Would anybody
Really?
Yeah, and I know that. I can get into these dark places.
Well, yeah. I just think of Kathleen right now, riding horses in paradise. She's probably riding with unwashed leaves, so.
Probably.
Yeah, there it is, right?
Or Robert Redford.
He's not dead.